I'm Stephanie Simon. The weekend is almost here, so let's start planning.
First up, let's kick things off in style. Cheryl Stern presents the one-woman show, Shoes and Baggage, a new musical comedy about how a shopaholic survives the big city. It's at the Cell in Chelsea. Tickets $35. Spin over to Baruch Performing Arts Center in Kips Bay for the second annual Aerial Championships, Friday through Sunday. See some of the world's best aerialists compete in front of judges from Cirque du Soleil and other top shows. Tickets $60 per day. At Red Hook Labs in Brooklyn, check out New African Photography. This show features contemporary African photographers as they explore the continent's culture. Sunday night, spend the evening with some Broadway stars as they pay tribute to the music of Whitney Houston. Broadway Sings Whitney Houston is at the Highline Ballroom in Chelsea. Tickets start at $20. And at the House of Yes in Bushwick, a new immersive theatrical experience about life, death, and chocolate. Audience members join in as the cast of Coco Dios pays homage to the Mayan gods of blood and chocolate through dance, aerial stunts, and Coco. Tickets start at $22. Film buffs check out the monthly Katra film series Saturday night at the Ace Hotel in Midtown. Katra is a competitive international short film festival for emerging filmmakers. Tickets are $15 in advance. And lastly, the Outdoor Flux Art Fair continues in and around Marcus Garvey Park in Harlem. Check out this piece by Myra Gandy, who used 1,916 braids to wrap this pole. It celebrates Afrocentric beauty and the year Garvey settled in Harlem, 1916.
And those are just some of my ideas. For more, go to our website. Stephanie Simon, New York 1.